So this next one is a game changer. So I just took the lifesaver off the wall, and now we're going to install the Medic Go. And this is going to give us a tap, essentially, tap on water, fresh water, right at our sink. So I know my wife's pump, she can wash her hands, do her makeup, all that stuff right at the sink without the spray wand set up. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this right now. So first off, we're going to take off our sink cover. We're not going to need that. It's a bit tricky to see right here just because I got this box which will move right now. But, in our box we got our faucet. I'm just going to stand by the sink. Ooh, magnetized. See? When I see that stood, I didn't even know I was going to have it. Boom. Standing up. Now we got our little pack here with our hose and charger, instructions, all the good stuff. I'm just going to move some of this out of the way. We're going to keep what we need to install this. So the first thing I'm going to need to see is how it's going to sit. So this is the base I've decided on, the circle one. There's also a square one. That's going to stick it down side to side. So it's going to end up right here. Looks good. And the fill for it is right there. So that's one other thing to consider, is although it's making me rethink this for one sec. If we were to take the charger, the square one, let's see. If we were to go with the square one, would it allow us to have it sitting more favorably with the hose through the wall? And I'd almost argue the answer is yes, but let's just try one more time. What's that old saying? Measure 6 times and drill once or something? I don't know, but whatever it is. That was a good one. So what I see here is this is going to work perfect. The water is going to be right here. I am thinking at the back, I need to make that hose come through, which is right here. So this hose needs some flex too. Let's just do a little test right here, just to make sure that if we do that, where the hole needs to be, right there. I should probably mark this, would be the smart thing to do. It's going to go through right here. Let's see if I got something I can. Oh, I got a little drill bit, a little scratch right in the spot, and we'll know. So we decide it's going to end up right up. There's somewhere. Perfect. With a little mark for me. Alright, so we got power drill. I have the Yeti out of my camp right now because it's cold, and this is the drill I have sitting around, so don't do that. We are starting with 3/8. We may go bigger, but let's just start here and see how it goes. Pretty tight space. Could probably take that cooktop out, but. Well, we definitely got through. Alright, let's clean this up a hair here. Get a cloth and wipe this after, but for now, let's see. Does my hose fit? So it's going to come through the back side right here. think it's gonna fit. It might work perfect actually. Leftovers in here. Let's try this one more time. So we're just gonna need to be through a little bit to get onto you. Oop. Take some more slack out of this. Just like a glove, eh? Look at that. So I think I want to angle a little bit more to the middle. I want to get pinched. I think about right there is good. So let's pop this off for now. We can leave it right here. Dirty. Good old caulking getting dusty. But we can give that a little bath after. So let's just take this little base. Right to the bottom of this guy here. That actually worked out way too perfect. Let's put this up so I have to bend the whole time and move it back after, but to show you guys. Okay, so here's our base, and then here's our hole. So let's look. There's where our hose is sticking through. Oh, doesn't want to work with me right now. So that's where it was right there. Try to make it look how decent we do this. So stick it about right there. So get it nice and place it on there. I have the instructions somewhere, but I'm pretty sure with adhesives you want to hold it down for 10-15 seconds at least to make sure, press down, make sure it holds on there good. I think it's going to be on there good. I'm going to come back in here, pull our hose through. I should have brought a cloth with me, but this goes on the back of the Dometic Go. Poop. Pull the slack back through under here if you want to make it look real nice. So there it is. We got a little tap for water. But next step to that is we need the actual water. So let's pick this up and show you guys what's going on. So this is the water pack, the Dometic Go. So there's the max fill. If I recall, it's 11 liters. Pretty light, so you can fill this up anywhere. Stop at a rest stop or washroom or hose or not the washer, but you know, somewhere they got some nice clean drinking water. And so we're gonna take this and we're gonna stick it right into this cubby right down here. This guy right here, we're gonna have a look in that cubby. Don't have enough hands, but stick it right in the cubby, and there's the hose. See this little hose here? It's just gonna plug right in there, and in a second we're gonna have water. So I'm gonna plug that in, and then I'm gonna show you how this works. So this is just going in the cubby. Which we will strap in. And it's gonna stay here for more than a day. Alright. Let's take my little kid's boat. We do a towel in here because yesterday we were, whatever day that was, I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before, but Get some water in here. It's no big deal, it's just water. Let's get this out of here. Make sure I clean up some of this dust before I run it everywhere. This is where my wife would probably be a little upset with my cleaning, but hey, she's not here, don't tell her. Okay. Alright. We're ready for blast off? Ready for blast off? I'm pretty excited for this. So, ooh. We want to see the water going in the sink. Which do I want to see myself? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Get that fresh water. I can wash my hands. Kids need a drink. Whatever you need. Hold my tap. We put that nice elbow in the other day, so this thing can fill up for all I care. But we got water to brush our teeth. We got water to wash our hands. Look, still running. Tons of water. Perfect. Love it. Love it. Like that's a game changer right there. So now the Scout has running water. No pumping anything. No anything. Just boop. Boop. What else do you need? You're set. So on the flip side of that, I do have people are like, oh, it's not hot. Stay tuned, because I also have another water system that's gonna make it even better. So there's a start. I'm so happy right now that my wife's gonna be happy. So this is sweet. Thanks for watching. I think I need to pour water in the tank, but it's freezing up here in Canada, so I'm gonna leave the water out until it warms up a bit. But thanks for watching.